You don't need content monetization to start making money with your Facebook account. There is a lot of ways you can make money with your Facebook account, even though you don't have up to 10,000 followers, 5,000 followers. In fact, a Facebook account you just open today, you can still use it and start making money online using your Facebook account. In fact, using your WhatsApp account. With this method, you can still make money. A lot of people think you need content monetization before you can start making money on Facebook. But there is other ways you can still make money on Facebook, which is selling digital product and also affiliate marketing. Let me show you how you are going to do this and start making money without your Facebook account, without content monetization. Let me show you how you are going to do this. And don't forget to share this video so that more people are going to benefit from this video, and follow for more tips like this. So before we start, let me show you guys some money. Let me withdraw some money on my account and show you guys that yes, this thing really pay out. I think I have some money on my account. I've withdrawn some money today, but let me withdraw another money I've just made some minute ago. I make some money some minute ago in my account. Now, as you can see, this is my account right now. This is the money in my account right now. So I've withdrawn today, but let me just click on withdraw funds. Before you guys to say maybe it's a screenshot, let me refresh so that you guys will see that it's working. This thing I'm showing right now is working, 100% working, and it is legit. Nothing like a scam or all this platform. It is legit. You can go and ask about it. It is legit. 100% people are using it. So I've refreshed my account again. Let me refresh it for the second time. It has refreshed. So let me click on withdraw funds. And this is my account number. This is my account number, every detail. So I'll just click on withdraw. And I'll put my pin, as you can see. So let me put my pin. They are going to send some pin to my account, my Gmail account. So let me go and copy the pin and put it here. Now I've put the code. I've put the code and it is successful. Now let me refresh and you guys are going to see my balance. Let me refresh. Let me go back and you guys are going to see my balance is going to be 0 now. Let me go back to my payout. Let me go back to my payout. Now, as you can see, my account balance is 0. Now, they are going to send me an email right now. Now, as you can see, just in less than 1 minute, they have sent me an email. Now, as you can see, Nupe Flavor Musa would love to inform you that withdrawal has been initiated from your wallet seller account. The wallet funds, as you can see, wallet here, everything, my account details here, as you can see, the money. Now, the money is going to land in my account in less than some minutes, as you can see. This is the money also, everything. I just received a message right now and the money is already in my balance. Now let me show you guys on my OP account. It will not take up to 1 minute and you're going to receive your money. Let me go to my OP because it's coming to my OP account. I just received the notification now. So now coming to notification. Now this is the money, as you can see, seller, as you can see the money here from my notification. As you can see, this is the money. So I'm not capping or lying for you guys. This method I'm going to show you right now is working 100%. As you can see, the money just landed in my account within 1 minute. So before evening again, I'm going to make some sell because I promote my links everywhere. I'm going to make some sell and also withdraw some money. I withdraw money anytime, any minute from this platform. Now let me show you guys how you're going to get started and start using it and also make money for yourself. So to get started, all you need to do is to head over to your browser. Anything you are using to do browser, you can use Google Chrome or any of your browser, and you go and search for this name of this website. It is called Seller. You are going to see the name of this website like this. As you can see, this first one that is here, seller.com. You click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to open like this. So when it's open, you're going to see where it says start selling with seller. So you can read a lot of things about it if you want to read. But let me just go straight to the point because I don't want to waste you guys' time. Then you click on start selling with seller. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to fill all your information here. So just put your name, like my name here. This is my name. And after you put your name, you also put your Gmail account here, and after you put your Gmail account, you put your own password. Just set a 6-digit password or any password. You can just use any password. So just put a password here, any password you know that you can remember. So just fill in the password. So let me fill in the password. And make sure when you are putting your password, the first letter should be capital letter, like something like this. You should put capital letter here. And As you can see, they say my password did not match. Let me redo it again. Let me recheck it. Now, after you put your password and you click on this box, the next thing you click on this small box here that say sign up for seller account, names you agree to your privacy. Then you click on this one, this small arrow here, you click on it, and after you click on it, you are going to see create account here, and you click on this create account. Now, after you click on create account, it's going to bring you to an interface where you can get started like this. It's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will tell you to create creator, affiliate marketer, or anyone. You can just choose anyone. Just choose anyone. Just choose the middle one. Then you click on continue as an affiliate. Now, when you click on continue as an affiliate, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then you put your gender. If you are male or female, you put male. If you are female, you put female. And female. Then you put your date of birth. You can use anything here. Just use anything. Let me just make this as an example. This is just an example video. Then after you put your date of birth, you put your number here. Any number you are using, you can put your number. You can just put any number here, and you select you select this. Where did you hear about us? Make sure you bring it to WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere. You can just bring it to, let's say, YouTube. Then after that, you click on save here. And when you click on save, your account is going to be created. Now, after your account is created, they are going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, your profile has been updated. So the next thing you are going to do to start making money from affiliate marketing, selling people's products, all you need to do, just click on this three dot up here. You click on three dot up here. And after you click on three dot, you click on affiliate marketing here. As you can see, this affiliate here, you tap on it. As you can see, now you click on home. Click on home here, and when you click on home, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now it will tell you to add your bank detail, bank account that you want them to be paying you to. You can just click on add bank detail. Now, when you click on add bank detail, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you're going to put your bank information, everything. As you can see, Nigeria, you select your bank type. You can choose OPay. Just choose OPay, and you're going to see OPay pay stack like this. Then you put your OPay account number. Just put your OPay account number here. And after you put your OPay account number, you click on verify, and it's going to verify the OPay account number. So let me just use my OPay account number here right now. 818786. So this is my OPay account number. If you are seeing it right now and maybe you want to give me something, or you want to give me gift, you can copy this account number and just click on and send me some things. If you are watching this video right now and you want to appreciate my video, or you want to appreciate my work, this is my account number. As you can see it here, so you can send something to me. If you are watching this video right now and you like what I usually teach, you can send me something. This is my account number. So you click on continue after you put your account number, and you click on OK. Now, when you click on OK, it's going to proceed and put your account number. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this access affiliate marketplace. So this is the place you are going to access your affiliate marketplace, where you'll be getting your product that you'll be making money from. Now, let's click on access affiliate marketplace. Now, when you click on access affiliate marketplace, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, earn extra income, promoting other people's product, all these things is going to bring you to somewhere like this. You click on get started. Now, when you click on get started, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You need to make payment to continue. So before you can be able to start promoting people's products, making money from this platform, you have to update your account. You have to update to affiliate network. And to join the affiliate network, you need 3,000 naira. But don't worry. 3,000 naira, this 3,000 naira is just a year plan. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce this money, that it will not up to 3,000 naira again. The method I'm going to show you right now, if you use that method, you will not spend up to 3,000 naira. Just click on get started. Now, when you click on get started, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, you are going to see somewhere like this that say click here. As you can see, get a couple code, referral code. As you can see, just click it here. This small arrow you are seeing, this three blue something, you click on it. Now, when you click on it, make sure you write something like this. Something like this. As you can see, Mohammed 3. That is my referral code. If you do not use this my referral code, it will not work. Now, as you can see, if you use this my referral code, as you can see, Mohammed 3, just the way it's showing right now on your screen boldly. You write it in capital letter, and you are going to see, as you can see, they say this discount only appear to your first payment. After this payment, you will be charged 3,000 naira next year. You can cancel at any moment. So if you are doing it next year, that is next year, that is when they are going to charge you 3,000 naira. But as far as you are using my promo code right now, you are going to be charged only 2,850 naira. They are going to reduce some money for you. As you can see, they are going to reduce some money for you. So make sure you use that my promo code. If you don't use my promo code, they are not going to reduce the money for you. And this will last for 1 year. 1 year. So if you do it this month, it will take up to 12 months before you can renew it with 3,000 naira again. Now, after that, you click on pay now. Now, when you click on pay now, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you click on pay with transfer. Now, when you click on pay with transfer, they are going to give you this account number. As you can see, this Paystack account number. Then you copy the account number. This account number is going to last for 30 minutes. So immediately you copy this account number, make sure you go and transfer this exactly amount, which is 2,850 naira into this account number. Immediately you transfer this money into the account number. That is when your affiliate account is going to open. That is where you'll be making your money is going to open. If you do not make the payment, it will not open, because this platform will not allow you to promote product or sell any product or make money from the platform without upgrading it, because they want you to upgrade so that they will know that you are serious to make money from the platform. But if you do not upgrade it, they will not allow you to make money or sell your product or do anything from the platform. So just copy this account number and you go and make transaction. As you can see, this is the bank name. Just go to your OP or any of your bank. Let me show you on my OP account. Now I've copied the account number. So this is my OP. I'll click on to bank. Then I'll paste the account number here. As you can see, paste the account number. I just copied the account number. As you can see, Paystack. I'll click on Paystack. Now, as you can see, seller. So I just click on confirm and I will put the amount I want to transfer. Let's say 2,850 naira. That is the amount, and I will now click on confirm and make transaction to that account. And immediately you make transfer to that account, it will automatically confirm itself. And it's going to open the account. I don't want to make any payment right now because I have my account already. So let me show you how you are going to use it after your account is being successfully opened in my own main account right now. And I'm going to show you guys some money I've also withdrawn from the platform. So this is my own account that I'm using. This is my own account. I have some products there that I'm selling that I'm making money from. So I'll just click on home like this. When you open like this, you just click on the three dots up here and you click on affiliate network. Just go back to your home page and it's going to bring you to an interface like this, just the way we followed the other time. You click on get started. Now, when you click on get started, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, this is because my own account is upgraded. If your own account is upgraded, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, where you are going to see different type of product that you can be selling and you'll be making money from the product. As you can see, these are different type of product. Let me show you how you are going to sell this product and how much you'll be making from this product. Like this one now. This affiliate marketing sales secret, as you can see, learn crypto, form, all these things, you can tap on anyone and you are going to see money you are going to be earning from it. Like this one, if you say this product is going for 35,000 naira, when you click on it like this, you click on view detail and you are going to see a link. As you can see, the link to the product, and you are going to see get affiliate link. You can just copy this affiliate link now. As you can see, get affiliate link, and you'll be earning 30% commission from this affiliate link. As you can see, say thank you for request. So you just copy this affiliate link. As you can see, the affiliate link here, and if you sell this product, you are going to make 30% commission from this product only. This product, you are going to make 30% from it. Go to your calculator and you calculate it. 30% of this 30,000 naira, how much you earn, you are going to see it. You can also search any product of your choice. You can come here and search for product like how to make money online, all these things, how to make money online. People are searching for those kind of product. You can search for it. As you can see in this product, if you sell this product for 10,000 naira, you are going to earn 40% commission. As you can see, just search for the product
and you are going to see product that people are selling, people are buying them. Now you are going to see product that you'll be selling and you'll be making money. As you can see, this product you earn 50% commission. Just check all it. So if you want me to also teach you how you can start also putting your product here so that you'll be making big money, not by doing affiliate marketing or selling people's product. You want people to also sell your product, you can message me and I'm going to put you through one-on-one class how you can also start putting your product online like this, that people are going to see it and you are going to be making money from it. People are going to also promote your product and you also make money from it. So if you want that video, you let me know and I'm going to create that video for you or teach you how you are going to do it. But note, if I'm teaching you that, I'm not teaching you for free. You are going to pay me for that. But this one is just for free, so you can try it. And don't forget to use my promo code, the one I show you, so that you are going to get 50% discount, 5% discount from the money. And also, I gave you my account number. If you want to drop something to appreciate me for this video I make for you, you can drop something. A lot of people are making money from this method I just show you right now. Thank you for watching.